When you are in the daytime, when the sun is there, when you are interacting with people, no killing, no violence, no interference in others' affairs. And in the night, when the sun goes away, when the moon comes in, then sit silently. Close your eyes, observe your breathing. The whole night is for meditation. The whole daytime is for practicing non-violence, non-interference, non-killing. There is something to practice in the daytime. There is something to practice in the night time. There is something to practice in the sun time. There is something to practice in the moon time. In the sun time, when you are awake, when you are mixing with all the people, when you are doing all the things, when you interaction, no interference with other beings. Each one has to live according to his own need, his own desires, his own predicaments, his own prejudices, without interfering with other beings. And no killing, no violence, no physical violence. And in the night time, when the sun goes away, when the moon comes in, when the night sets in, close your eyes, observe your breathing, go into meditation, not into sleep. Night time is not for sleep, night time is for meditation. Daytime is for full active life, but non-killing, non-violent, and non-interfering activity in the daytime. Every day brings in an opportunity for you to practice non-killing, non-interference, non-violence. Every night brings you an opportunity to practice meditation. What do we do in the night? See, half an hour of meditation is equal to 6 hours of sleep. We don't have to sleep. In meditation, you get consciously cosmic energy. In sleep, you get unconscious cosmic energy, only a little bit. But in meditation, you get consciously cosmic energy, abundance. So, people who are wise, they never sleep. They go into meditation always. So, use your every sun time, every moon time properly. Every daytime, every night time properly, Baba. Right living. Right daytime, right night time. Make yourself into a Buddha. Make yourself into Jesus Christ. Why we remember them? Why are we not like them? This is the education required. Education of becoming a Buddha. Education of becoming a Jesus. Education of becoming a Patanjali. When we were children, our parents try to educate us. But when we have become adults, we educate ourselves. We are no more children. We don't depend upon others to educate us. We educate ourselves. We are adults. We are no more children. As children, we are helpless. But as adults, we are not helpless. We have to create our own opportunities for a practice of our own meditation. Nobody else is going to educate us. We have to educate ourselves, Baba.